9 Worst Foods That Feed Cancer Cells. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and while various factors contribute to its development, diet plays a significant role in either supporting or suppressing the growth of cancer cells. Certain foods are linked to an increased risk of cancer by promoting inflammation, oxidative stress, or directly contributing to the growth of cancer cells. In this video, we will explore the 9 worst foods that can feed cancer cells, helping you make more informed choices for a healthier life. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats, have long been associated with an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. These meats are typically preserved by curing, smoking, salting, or adding chemical preservatives, such as nitrates and nitrites. When cooked at high temperatures or smoked, these additives can form carcinogenic compounds like N-nitroso compounds. Studies conducted by the World Health Organization, WHO, have classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning they are known to cause cancer in humans. How they feed cancer cells. The preservatives and chemicals used in processed meats can trigger inflammation and oxidative stress, which are 2 key factors in cancer development. Additionally, high fat content and lack of fiber make these meats particularly harmful for colon health. 2. Sugary beverages and foods. Excessive consumption of sugar, particularly refined sugars found in soft drinks, candy, cakes, and pastries, has been linked to a higher risk of various types of cancer. The body requires insulin to process sugar, and consistently high sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance. This hormonal imbalance can create an environment where cancer cells can thrive. How they feed cancer cells. Cancer cells have a high metabolic rate and require more glucose than normal cells. When you consume large amounts of sugary foods, it provides a steady supply of glucose, effectively feeding cancer cells and allowing them to grow and multiply more rapidly. 3. Red meat. While red meat, including beef, pork, and lamb, is a good source of protein and essential nutrients, consuming it in excess has been associated with an increased risk of cancers, especially colorectal cancer. High-temperature cooking methods, such as grilling or frying, can produce heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, both of which are carcinogenic compounds. 4. Fried foods. Fried foods, including French fries, potato chips, and fried chicken, are typically cooked in unhealthy oils at very high temperatures. These foods contain trans fats, which are linked to various health issues, including heart disease and cancer. The high temperatures used in frying can also lead to the formation of acrylamide, a chemical compound that has been shown to cause cancer in animal studies. 5. Refined grains. Refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta, have been stripped of their nutrient-dense outer layers during processing. This leaves them with little nutritional value and a high glycemic index, meaning they quickly convert to sugar in the body. Eating too many refined grains has been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal and breast cancer. 6. Alcohol. Alcohol is a well-known carcinogen and has been linked to an increased risk of cancers, including those of the mouth, throat, liver, breast, and colon. When metabolized, alcohol breaks down into acetaldehyde, a toxic substance that can damage DNA and prevent cells from repairing the damage. 7. Artificial sweeteners. Many people turn to artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose as a sugar substitute. However, these sweeteners have been controversial for their potential role in cancer development. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners can alter gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and other health issues. 8. Hydrogenated oils. Hydrogenated oils, also known as trans fats, are commonly found in margarine, baked goods, and packaged snacks. These fats are created by adding hydrogen to vegetable oil to solidify it, which extends the shelf life of processed foods. However, trans fats are notorious for their negative health effects, including an increased risk of cancer. 9. Excessive dairy products. While dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and other nutrients, consuming too much can potentially increase the risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate and breast cancer. The hormones present in dairy, especially from cows treated with growth hormones, can promote the growth of cancer cells.